Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am doing a little impromptu Trader Joe's grocery haul. We just got back from Trader Joe's and I wanted to show you all of the things that I got because I personally love watching these types of videos. I think they're super fun just to see what other people get from Trader Joe's and to get some ideas and things like that. So let me show you some of the things that I got from Trader Joe's today. First thing I got is a baking soda. I prefer to get it in the can with a lid just to keep it fresher longer as opposed to getting it in the box. This I think was $1.99. We got some tomatoes for sandwiches. I got some organic unsweetened coconut chips. These are really tasty. They're thicker than to get like the coconut flakes, and they are really good on yogurt with granola or on top of smoothie bowls. And then Emerson and I also like to just kind of snack on them plain. They're really tasty. We also got 2 jars of pesto. This is our favorite pesto. It just tastes the best, we think, and it's also the best price. So we got 2 jars of that. Spices are really inexpensive at Trader Joe's, so whenever we run out, we like to stock up at Trader Joe's. I think it's like usually $1.99 for some pretty good quality spices. So we got a pumpkin pie spice. This one's actually seasonal and they only carry it around this time of year. So we grabbed one of those, and then I also had run out of cinnamon, so I got a cinnamon. I got 2 things of peanut butter. It's like $1.99 for one of these, and I got the crunchy because that's my favorite kind. I also got the unsalted. And then look at these ingredients. It's just dry roasted peanuts, so pretty good for you. So I got 2 of those. This is a little indulgent snack that we treated ourselves to. It's that time of year for caramel and apples. And we had a caramel apple the other night and Emmy really liked it. So we went ahead and grabbed this. I've had this before and it's so smooth and just delicious. So we got 2 of these because we know we'll go through it pretty quickly. I also got an organic strawberry fruit spread for peanut butter and jelly for Emerson. It just happened to be organic. I don't typically buy organic, although I love to, but it's just kind of, it generally is more expensive. But this one was cheaper than all of the others, so I was really happy to get it organic. And also, look at how cute this packaging is. We also got a corn and chili salsa. This stuff is the bomb. It tastes super yummy. It's kind of like sweet and spicy at the same time. So we got one of those. Andrew also got this garlic mustard aioli sauce to put on sandwiches. That sounds really yummy. I think we're gonna try that today. We also got an organic ketchup. It's only $1.99 for this bottle, and it's organic, which is super nice. It definitely has a different flavor than like your typical Heinz ketchup, but I kind of like it. I think it tastes good. But we mostly got this for Emerson anyways because she always asks for it to go with her chicken and she likes it. So got us a ketchup. We also got some organic white corn tortilla chips to go with our corn chili salsa. And then for dinner tonight, we're having ground turkey. Like a ground turkey with black beans and corn and taco seasoning. Super healthy and super easy. Sometimes we'll throw a sweet potato in there too. And this is a really inexpensive ground turkey. It's such a great price to get it from Trader Joe's. So we always get a ground turkey or even 2 and stick one in the freezer every time we go to Trader Joe's. So we got this. Then we also got a can of black beans to go with our dinner tonight. We already had corn, so we just got a can of black beans. Also for dinner, we got an avocado and an onion. Andrew got some ciabatta rolls for sandwiches. And then I got a bag of organic Granny Smith apples. These were only $2.99, which is fantastic. Number one, for apples in general, but also for the fact that they were organic. So these are the apples that we're gonna eat with our caramel sauce. The last food item that I got are these little pumpkin spice cookies. They're shortbread cookies with pumpkin spice, so the cookie itself is a little bit spicy, and then it's got a yogurt coating, and these are just a nice little fall treat. They're super yummy. We got 2 boxes of them, and it's a good thing because we ate half of them on our way home from Trader Joe's today. The last thing that I got is a toothbrush. I'm super picky about my toothbrushes. I like them to be completely flat and on the softer side, but the Trader Joe's one is my favorite. So, you know, every once in a while when we go to Trader Joe's, I like to get a toothbrush from there. Alright, so that is my Trader Joe's haul. Those are all the things that we got today. We don't typically get to Trader Joe's very often just because it's kind of a drive from our house. So whenever we're on that side of town, we like to stop in at Trader Joe's and pick up some of the things that you just can't get from your normal grocery store or that are just cheaper, because some of the stuff at Trader Joe's is really, really cheap. Let me know in the comments down below if there is something from Trader Joe's that you guys like to get that you think I should try and that I should pick up the next time we go to Trader Joe's. I would love some ideas and would just love to hear from you. Like this video, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of the baby watch videos that I have coming up. I am 39 weeks pregnant, so close. And make sure you're following us on Instagram at allie_gooch, because that is where I will notify you first as soon as I go into labor. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.